Hello, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a direct link to an ABDO ebook in Schoology using the share feature from ABDO. I have already created a Symbaloo page on my school library website that has a link to our ABDO database. Since I use my direct link, users are not required to type a username or a password. You can find your direct link on your ABDO admin page. Click on the link to your ABDO database. Notice that I did not have to log in. Choose any ABDO ebook title. I am going to type in my search bar Hurricanes since I know that I have this title and I would like to use it in my lesson. Click on the Open Now button. Notice the Share ebook button at the bottom of the page. Click on the Share ebook button. Next, click Copy to copy the link. This link may now be pasted into Schoology. In Schoology, create a folder for your lesson by clicking Add Materials and then Add Folder. Name your folder the title of your lesson. You will need to choose the availability. I'm going to unpublish mine since I am not ready for my students to use this just yet, and then click Create. Click on the folder that you just created. Next, click Add Materials to add an assignment to your folder. Click Add Assignment. Again, you will need to give your assignment a name. I'm going to title mine Hurricanes Ebooks and then give the students directions. Read the ABDO ebook. Instead of typing the word hurricanes, I am going to provide a hyperlink that directs the students to the ebook. Click on the word link. In the link URL box, paste the link that you just copied from ABDO. Change the title to whatever word you would like to be hyperlinked, hurricanes, and then click Insert. Notice that the words turned blue. This indicates that it is a hyperlink. You will need to include a category since it is a required field. Then click Create. Now students may click on the folder Hurricanes ebook and then click directly to the Hurricanes book. You may also add it as a separate link. Click on the Hurricanes folder that you just created. Click Add Materials, Add File Link External Tool. Click the Link button in the middle. Paste, right-click and paste the link URL. Type the word that you would like linked, hurricanes. You can choose to display in Schoology or to display in a new window. Click Add. This is how simple it is to share ebooks directly into Schoology or other lessons from ABDO. Thank you for watching.